Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. In this review, I would like to actually show you of this a new product to be launched on WordPress Plus. It's called Courseify. Okay, so basically, what is Courseify? Courseify basically is a done for you ready to profit niche courses, right? And you can actually there is a bundle of courses in four main category, four main niche, right? It's ready for you to sell. We have all this sales page done from you, right? So what you need to do, you just need to share the link for these four course bundle, and when you can get your customer to purchase this course, all this payment gateway get ready inside the sales page, right? So what you need to do is just to drive traffic to these courses, then start making profit in less than probably 30 minutes of that, right? So in front of me, this is a sales page of the Courseify, okay? So you can see there are 24 ready to profit niche course with your own membership aid imported at a big discount, right? Okay. Okay, there are three steps to follow also only, right? So working from home and selling your own courses. So the good thing about this, you don't have to figure out what course you want to sell, because the people have done for you all the hot selling courses, right? These two guys, Christian and Ronnie, right? Right. Okay. So that is the something. So this is a four. Now for you traffic bundle, make money online bundle, and you have this social media bundle, also the motivation bundle. It's already hot selling some niche, right? Okay, let me quickly show to you on this on the dashboard here. You can go in when this is Courseify, right? You can see the courses is all here. You can actually activate, and once activate, you can actually take you to this setting up the link and sales page, everything, right? So for example, you click this one, right? Okay, right? Okay, then we take you to this one. Okay, then you can have all this white label setting here, right? Okay, so you can set a white labels names, dashboard page title, and also the main URL. So this can be actually be hosted under their own this domain. You don't have to have your own domain, or you prefer to set up your own domain type. Okay, your private domain need to be pointed to our IP. So this is optional, else you can actually divide this on your own domain. So once set up, you can actually share this link. This is a link where people can access to purchase your course, right? So everything is done from you. They even have the sales page, the setting, the live editor, everything, right? Okay, and you can actually white label. You can do a white label of these courses here, right? Let me go back to here, right? Let's look at this also. Okay, so this is manage the white label. You can do a white label here. White label means to say you want to blend it with your own blending, right? Okay, you can change the logo, change the title, change the image. Okay, right? Okay, and this way you are set up manage your white label, so things like that. So we also have this part of premium courses, right? This is a premium course. So this is an email bundle, affiliate bundle. Let me have a look on this one. It's a different MMO bundle, affiliate bundle. I think all this is a premium. This is for the OTO one. Okay, one of the OTO. Academic bundle also. This is one for one of the OTO also, right? Okay, so this is your white label. Yeah, this can be set up with white label here, right? Click here to manage this white label, right? Okay. So they have a training. There's a training step by step training how to set up white labels, private domains, sales page live editor. Right? You can edit your sales page here. Okay, and also you can do a payment and you get the PayPal, WordPress integrated, JV2 integration. It means to say you can actually sell this course freely on the WordPress Plus and JV2 and get 100% of the profit. That's basically what you do, right? Okay, so bonuses, we have this automating social cost, right? So let's have a look here. Okay, so these are some bonuses that come together when you purchase this Courseify. Okay, so on the top here, I can see there is an option you can actually do a training white label, extra bonuses. So everything is provided here. You just need to follow the training. I think the first thing you need to look at is this training module, right? Okay, and the rest of the thing is just done from you, just a few minutes setting up, right? Okay, so that's it about Courseify. Let me take you to my Courseify review page here, right? So I'm giving a rating 10 over this. If you are looking for some hot selling course in this niche of make money online, affiliate marketing, of this personal development or traffic generation things, right? I think this is the best product bundle you should actually go. There is no hard work to be done. All is done from you. Everything is done from you. Sales space, the content, the cost, everything is done for you. What you need to do is just a few clicks to set up your links, right? Your Courseify link, then you can actually direct traffic to the links. That's basically how it do that. Okay, so front end is $17 one time up to 250. It means to say you are getting this Courseify for $17, but you can actually sell this to 250 customers, right? So you can imagine how much profit you're going to make, right? Okay, right? So this is and you are open. I think you are open to price it accordingly. You may want to sell each of the customer, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 or 50, and you are going to earn a lot of money out of this, right? Okay, there's no job here. And this Courseify Pro unlimited customer account. This even great receipt just was $27 one time. My goodness, you are going to have this email swap also, okay, whereby you can actually promote this to your customer, and you can have unlimited customer account. That is just very, very fantastic offer, yeah. And academic bundles, this is one time up to 250. This is depend on which Courseify purchase. Okay, 50 account Pro unlimited account. Right. So this is give you the ability to have all Courseify bundle together in one membership site, right? Okay, so your customer will get access to all the courses under one dashboard. Availability special, this is a set of long form column basement that are ready for you to start selling. Okay, this is another bundle, and we have OTO for DIY bundle also, okay, to sell to your customer. Bonus pay, this was their previous product, more on the other things, is more on not for your bonus pay surprise product, simple as social image. And we have the Wi-Fi Pro bundles and up to 250 customers. And we also have this coaching package, right? So we get one-on-one June or Skype coaching with me for an in-depth coaching strategy for 1 hour. Okay, Facebook private support. Okay, so that's pretty cool, the coaching package. Okay, so you don't need to crash it with Courseify. So you are getting your own membership portal site pack with 24 learn from you video training courses created with the hottest 6 meg, so all 24, right? Make money online video courses which are free to sell, right? Okay, you can start selling this. Imagine if you're buying this just for $17, and you can actually sell this to 250 customers. If you're selling this just for $10, you're going to earn 250, 2,500, while the cost is only $17. So just imagine for yourself how good, how profitable is this business, right? Okay, you can see these are some of the bundle here I put in here. And why sell cost 300 to 325 millions market, different from other cost side. This is you keep 100% profit. Okay, so on the cost side, the me cost Coursera, you keep 100% of your earning, and you create the only fee you pay to your payment processor, right? Okay, right. Those other sites don't give you $3 cost, right? It's like to say that they have everything is done for you, right? Okay, so it's a good product by itself. Okay, my Courseify's bonuses. First thing, you're going to get this from me, right? With any front end, if you purchase any OTO upgrade, because this is really high quality bonuses, right? No one outside there is going to give this kind of bonuses to you, right? Trust me, right? You can surf now, right? And first thing, you're going to get a complete this building course. At the end of this building course, you are going to learn to have 100 free clicks, solo ad click, right? Whereby you can use this solo ad click to promote any affiliate. So you can easily imagine this one click could be costing you $1, and you are getting this 100 click for free. and you may also make a few sales if you promote any of the hot demands things. So they're going to get this fee from me. Second thing is my own product. This is DIY money. This in fact I'm relaunching this in the JV Zoo. Okay, so this is going to cost $97, right? Okay, so this also we find any upgrade. Also we have the 50k run for you bonus package. Imagine you can have a bonus package. You can inside the bonus package you're going to have bonus page, delivery pay, all bonuses come together, and you can use this as a giveaway, free gift to any other potential customer, right? And that means recurring income. Including this Udemy recurring income, to give you a thought of how Udemy is making money with Udemy. So this same method you can apply with this Courseify, and same business system or business model is apply to the Courseify to help you to make profit from this Courseify. This is basically what I've been here, right? Okay, so Smarty Builder is an e-commerce site builder, and we have this funnel. Key thing is that ClickFunnels you're going to pay $299 per month. But with this funnel kit, you are going to have a free funnel kit builder without you paying any costs, right? And also we have this affiliate marketing, how to make 10,000 per month using a simple business principle, and we have SmartSlide Pro. This is 1,600 new presentation marketing brochure template, easily that you create high converting. This is a marketing template. Okay, all this is really high quality thing. You're not going to get this any other. VidSpark is a cloud video creation app and more engaged travel creation app for more lead and sale, and OutReachr water traffic cloud app also. iShop. Okay, we have the 15 free traffic. So all these above are already high quality cloud app, right? And the first three bonuses you're going to get the first three bonuses with any front end or any with any OTO purchase, right? Okay, moving over, you will have other bonuses like free traffic sources, to 50 times the traffic with 15 free traffic sources. You're going to get a top 6 pay underground traffic sources. Okay, discover the top 6 pay underground traffic sources for your website, right? And free training how to make money online without you selling anything, right? So journals or TikTok traffic app Nova, and we're going to have journal Instagram traffic app also 200 special bonus bundle, whereby you can actually have a look into here, right? What you'll be getting inside this bonus bundle itself, right? Okay, just this bonus bundle itself, you're going to get 3,000 email thread and 100 killer subject headline complete email marketing video training course, and over 100 traffic software make money on the video training courses. This is from Brandon and Jono. I also bundled together as part of this bonus. So total you will go getting this just for the $17, the front end itself. You're going to get more than 200 plus bonuses just from me for the $17. But if you actually decided to get any OTO, again you'll be getting my 3 top bonuses here, right? This is no job here. This is a lot of value inside this bonus. So no one is going to give this to you, right? Except if you purchase via my link below this video. Click the link below this video, and you're going to come to this review page. Just click on this orange button, then you are good to go to get the Courseify together with my mega bonus pack, right? So I hope you enjoy my presentation today, and there's no doubt here, Courseify is a way you should go. There's no you don't have to waste time to think about how to create your own course. So that will be maybe take months or years, right? And I'm actually providing you a lot of bonuses here, which is get you to help you to get traffic to your Courseify, right? Okay, because what one of the business part here, Courseify doesn't come with any sort of traffic method, right? So I'm actually giving you a lot of traffic method. I even give you my own 50K make money on the subscriber. You can actually start promoting, right? So no doubt I have the best bonus for you, and with the best done for you Courseify, right? Okay, also just click the link below this video and going to get all these bonuses and the access to the Courseify, right? Thank you, bye. Yeah.